What's up, everybody? This is the Excel dude coming at you again. Today we're going to be talking about filters. We're going to run through these so quick and easy you'll be slicing and dicing like you were a Ginsu knife with your data. If you've been liking the content, please take a look at that Can't Stop Won't Stop kitty on the bottom right hand corner there. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. So we have our data set here. NFL running back data. We've got our whole filter setup that we want to do. We want to be able to sort these and change them up to, we don't want to copy and paste anything, or we want to be able to change it to ascending or descending. What you do here is first you're going to highlight the top row. There's two ways you can do this. The first, you hit Shift, Control, and L. That's going to add the filters. But we're going to do it the slow way. So you hit your Home tab, you hit Sort and Filter, Filter. You'll see these drop-down boxes appear. Let's say we wanted to look at yardage. We wanted to find the highest or the running backs with the most yardage and the running backs with the least yardage, and we wanted them sorted in that order. Just click right here, largest to smallest. There you go. Not a problem. It keeps everything in the same order. All of these columns have adjusted as well. This is the one it's sorting by. If you want to undo that, you click this button again, and then you can change it up right to there. If you wanted to maybe just everything that was, oh, you can do this too. You can go colors, we'll get into that one, but number filters right here. Let's say we want everything greater than 500 yards. You click that. 500, actually 501 because it has to be greater than 500, I suppose. But hit OK, and there you go. Everything's gone. If you wanted everything above maybe 900, OK. And there you go. You can also unclick this, or you click the button again, hit this checkbox, select all. After you do that, it's going to be completely back to how it was. You can change things up again. Let's say you wanted them sorted by colors. For some reason, you had all of your hypothetical people here, say this guy, Arthur Average, the average of all the running backs in the league at this point in time. You wanted that at the top. Okay, so you click any of these, and you can go filter by color. And if we wanted to see just that, there you go. Or you can clear the filter, click it, do that. And we can change it up, filter by color, everything that's not that. Great. We can also undo that and sort it based on that. Right here, sort by color. Put that on the top. If you want a secondary filter, you can do something like this, largest to smallest, and then sort by color again, right there. So you can have these kind of 1-2 steps here. You can chop your data up however you'd want to see it. So you have your colors, and then we go the running backs from top to bottom. There's a couple other things you can do with this. You can do a wildcard. Let's say we wanted to find anyone who worked for, or well, I guess they do work for, anyone who had the name Todd. So you click here, click on this search, type it in, T-O-D. Oh, there you go. You can do D as well, and it'll do that. But let's say you want something that has multiple criteria. You don't have to find the exact. So we're going to look for every running back that is on, let's say, Arizona. So right there. Enter. All right. We only have one. And if we go here, ascending to descending, you'll see that some teams may have two, like Cleveland here, Nick Chubb and Kareem Hunt. So if you wanted to find everybody on Cleveland, say you knew there were a bunch of items that were going to pop up there, Cleveland, there you go. You can still sort these, change them up however you want. We undo this. After we do that, let's say we wanted to look for something that you wanted every team with, let's say, a T in the name. And you don't want to worry if it's in the front or the back. You want to see if, in Detroit, you wanted to capture that, but you also wanted to capture Tennessee. So they're in different locations. You click right here. And in this search, so this is kind of cool, you just hit the star. So Shift 8, T. So anything before a T, it's going to show. And another star. It's going to capture anything with a T at the end. So right there, every team that has a T in it, you've got it right there. Or if we want to uncheck these, we could do, what else do we want to do? Number filters are also pretty great here. We can do a custom filter. We can do between values. That's good. So let's say we'll take, yeah, above average. So you can do that. Average. So you'll have the top half, sort, and all that. And you can continue kind of doing that. Now, one issue with this, let's say you have 2 tabs you need to do it on. You want to mimic this. So we're going to rename this. Copy and paste. And we want to take this same data, and we just want to put it over there because we want this table to be exactly this way, and we want the same data to show up on this one. So you copy it, paste it, Control V. Now, there's a slight issue here. No filters, but we can add those again. All we would do is highlight that, sort and filter, filter. But the bigger issue is we're missing a lot of data here. So if you look here, there's only 15 of them. However, over here we have 30. So whenever you filter something and you copy it and paste it, you're going to have to unfilter it, and then you can just copy it over again. So all we do is this, go right here and paste it there. And there we are. So now we have 2 function copies. So if you filter anything and you copy and paste the table, that could be an issue. Also, if you want to change something to where you want to auto add filters, let's say you got this data sent to you. There's no filters, and you know you're going to have to add certain columns, like you might say projected yards, something like that. You're going to put a function in here, or formula, and you don't want to make it to where you have to copy it and paste it down. All you would do is you click anywhere in here, Control T. It's going to circle the whole thing. My table has headers. You've got them right there. When you create a table, it automatically adds those filters in. So that's a nice little function there, but you also add this, projected yards, and our table expands all by itself, and it captures everything in here. So if we do this, yards per game, let's see, times, let's say over a 16-game season, 16, it fills it all the way down. So we have our benchmark estimate there. Is it the most accurate? Probably not, but it'll serve its purpose. And that's pretty much it for filters, just the basics here. We'll have a more advanced video in the future, but right now, just jumping on in so you can pull out that Ginsu knife for your data and get after it. All right, see you next time.